Hi guys, I'm Kezu and you're watching my show Watch the Head. So today I'm going to show you some household tricks which is going to make your life easy and simpler. So let's start with the first trick. The trick is how to get the egg yolk out of the whole egg. So all you need is a plain plastic bottle, you need an egg and you need 2 plates or a bowl or whatever. So let's start it. You just need to do is squeeze the bottle like this, keep it on the egg and come with that, get it out by squeezing it and there. So the egg yolk is out of the egg white, and yeah, that's an easy trick where you can get the yolk out of the egg white. I'll show you again. Squeeze the bottle. Yeah, squeeze it. Leave it. Again. There. So this is the second trick for all those people who love cold water. So a lot of people who go out for outings or trekking or something, they need cold water. So what they do is they carry ice. The whole bottle is filled with ice. So it becomes very difficult for them to have water. It's completely ice, it doesn't melt, so water doesn't come. So I'll show you how to carry cold water in an easy way, and it's actually an easy trick and a very intelligent way to carry cold water. So what you need to do is fill your bottle half with water and keep it like that, like in the sleeping position, keep it in the freezer. So it turns into ice. So it's going to be like a half ice and the half bottle is going to be empty. Alright, so if you go out and you need water, all you need to do is take your regular water and mix it in the bottle. So that the regular water will come in contact with the ice and the water turns cold. So yeah, that is how you can get the cold water in a very easy way, and yeah. Okay, so this is another trick for all those people who love to have Coke in can or any type of can. So what they do, like you open the can, right? So a lot of people have trouble taking sip out of here because sometimes this part is dirty. What they prefer is to have the can from straw. So what they do is they put the straw out like that, and as you can see the straw is coming out, it's popping out. So I'll show you a way how to fix your straw and have it in an easy way. Okay, so as you saw the straw was popping out, all you need to do is take a straw and hook it up out here and take it in the corner and fix it. Yeah. That's how you lock it, and you can see the straw is not moving, it's not coming out, and you can have a sip of that. Alright, so that's another trick I'm going to show you. Take a matchstick and just light it. So as you can see, the flame is not quite big and the timing, the stick is getting covered in a very fast time. Right? So yeah, it goes off also sometimes. So what I'll show you is how can you keep your matchstick light for a longer time and for a bigger flame. So all you need to do is take a matchstick and just peel off the side a little bit, the wood part. Can you see it? Like you peel a little bit. Yeah. So just light it now and see. The flame is big, average till now. It takes time to come down, see? So and it lasts long also. So yeah. So this trick is you can use it when a lot of people or your guests or friends come at your place and you need to heat your food in microwave. So if you got 2 bowls, right? You got 2 bowls and you want to heat them. So you keep them one and then you keep it 2. As you can see, the plate cannot fit, like the bowls don't fit into the plate. So what you can do is you can take a glass or a mug like this and keep it upside down. Alright, and keep the other bowl above it like this, and yeah, so as you can see, you can just shut it and start your thing, so it'll get heated up easily and in a very fast way. For more exciting videos and tricks and hacks, do subscribe to our channel, like our video, give a precious comment and share our videos.